Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the diary app and version so you access the right settings. Once confirmed, make sure your device is unlocked and you have the current password handy. You should back up entries now. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Then open the diary app and go straight to Settings or Account. Don't delay, locate Security or Password options. This is where the change starts, and having credentials ready speeds the process. You'll now execute the change. Navigate to Settings, then Security or Account, and tap Change Password. Enter your current password to verify. This proves it's you. Next, type the new password, then retype it for confirmation. Use a long, unique passphrase, 12 characters or more with upper and lowercase, numbers, and symbols, because stronger passwords protect your private entries. Once done, save or confirm. Some apps log you out of other devices, so be prepared to sign in again. You finish by confirming the change. Look for an email or in-app notification, and then re-log in on each device. Make sure your password manager and autofill records update so you don't lock yourself out later. If you encounter an error, first verify caps lock and keyboard layout, then clear saved credentials or re-enter manually. If problems persist, restore your backup to avoid data loss, contact app support, and retry the change once the account is stable. This solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.